Customer U-type fixed scissor lift platform, a high-efficiency operation solution exclusively for industrial scenarios. 5.7 meter with 4.3 meter U-type platform perfectly tailored for industrial equipment maintenance. Unobstructed working space for the placement of personnel and tools. Floor-mounted installation. No pad required. Suitable for all types of industrial sites. Rated load capacity 1,000 kg with a dedicated 150 kg load capacity for the electric extendable platform. Lifting speed 4 to 6 meters per minute. Descending lift for process position control. One-stop solution for personnel standing and material handling. 1.2 meters guardrail plus 0.3 meter kick plates on the main platform. Manual chin guard on the extendable platform. All-round safety protection. Reinforced support bars. 125 oil cylinders plus 5.5 PW pump station, delivering powerful and durable performance. Sealed design of scissor support bars. Visual monitoring via liquid level gauge and pressure gauge for control of operation status. Custom built with ingenuity, stable lifting, and high efficiency. The U-type fixed scissor lift platform, the top choice for industrial maintenance lifting.